Starting in 1988 with a clear mission to become a definitive resource in the aviation industry, and with a growth strategy designed to service markets in Asia, the Middle East, Africa and Eastern Europe, the Al Salam Aircraft Company has not only achieved its objectives, it has exceeded them. Today, the company is a world-class provider of heavy maintenance, repair and overhaul services for both wide and narrow-body aircraft, and also of programmed depot maintenance, offering technical support for both rotary and fixed-wing military aircraft. We are certified by the Saudi Arabian Presidency of Civil Aviation, the United States Federal Aviation Administration, and other aviation authorities around the world. We are also ISO 9001-2000 certified. Beyond this, we've established a leading training and development center, providing training to Saudi nationals, turning eager students into skilled aviation engineers and technicians, with many of our graduates now serving Al Salam throughout the kingdom in our military and commercial divisions. The company has 4 business units: Technical Support Services, Military Aircraft Program Depot Maintenance, Commercial and VIP Aircraft Maintenance, and Training. From our first contract in 1989, success has been achieved through understanding the precise needs of the armed forces and designing services with innovation and creativity, surpassing all expectations. Having defined key measurement criteria, we've developed systems that ensure all contracts are delivered on spec, on budget, and on time. Because we specialize in military aircraft maintenance, working closely with the original equipment manufacturers such as Boeing and BAE Systems, we deliver solutions and results more effectively and more efficiently than any other aircraft maintenance alternatives. No military aircraft maintenance project is beyond our capability. Typical technical support contracts include those for the Royal Saudi Air Force F-15s, Tornadoes and helicopters, and the Royal Saudi Land Force's AH-64 Apaches and UH-60 Blackhawks. Al Salam was first contracted by the Royal Saudi Air Force to perform program depot maintenance of their fleet of Tornadoes in 1997. This was followed by contracts to perform program depot maintenance on their fleets of E-3A AWACS and KE-3A tankers in 2000 and F-15s in 2001. These contracts remain ongoing. Al Salam's commercial and VIP maintenance division began in 1993, building an enviable reputation as a leading provider of C and D check maintenance services on wide and narrow-bodied aircraft. In a fiercely competitive market, we have an impressive client list, carrying out maintenance on Boeing and Airbus aircraft, Sikorsky and Bell helicopters. Our capabilities are extensive. In addition to heavy maintenance and modification, we carry out aging aircraft inspections, avionics and communication upgrades, and aircraft painting. We also offer corrosion prevention and control programs, together with a comprehensive range of engineering services. We have a complete cabin interiors refurbishment department, handling everything from the complete overhaul of galleys to total cabin reconfigurations, and from thermoforming seat shrouds and other cabin interior parts to the installation of in-flight entertainment systems. We also overhaul and repair all passenger and flight deck seating. The corporate and VIP aircraft market is expanding the world over, And Al Salam provides turnkey solutions for corporate and VIP aircraft interiors, handling projects from concept through to completion. We've designed and fitted luxurious interiors for some of the most elegant VIP aircraft in the world. We are extremely proud of our growth. In particular, we are proud of the important role we play in the training and development of Saudi nationals, and the contribution this makes towards the kingdom's self-sufficiency goals. Graduates from our training programs are able to take advantage of the career development opportunities in both technical and non-technical fields, designed to create a substantial pool of highly skilled Saudi aircraft engineers, aircraft technicians, and specialists in disciplines such as human resources and finance to meet our future needs. Central to this is the continued development of our training facilities and establishing the Al Salam Aviation Training Academy. Thanks to the policies and direction of the government, the Al Salam Aircraft Company has achieved a great deal. Our facilities are extensive and incorporate 3 magnificent wide-body hangars, each designed to take aircraft up to a Boeing 747-400, supported by specialist workshops, using the latest equipment and technology. Dedicated military facilities include an 8-bay F-15 hangar, with separate fuel-defuel facilities and paint-depaint facilities. We also have dedicated workshops to maintain our range of ground support equipment. Beyond this, we're expanding our operation to ensure we meet all future needs and to make the most of technology transfer. In a world of globalization and with Saudi membership of the WTO, we have the opportunity to make our future even more impressive, further diversifying our customer base and our services, contributing significantly to the growth and development of the kingdom and its people. We are proud of our achievements. We are excited by our future. We are Al Salam Aircraft Company, the ultimate destination for aircraft maintenance and modification.